is fried banana, and this is fingers.
With the fingers, don't point.
And this salad is special. It will make you more good. And this lemon is a little bit sour. Okay, so be careful with this lemon. Okay? Now you need to avoid these obstacles. I got the big plates too. Do you want my big plate?
Oxtail in stew with beans, tomatoes, lots of oil there. With the sweet potato.
Espetada. Open your mouth.
Try some fried bananas. But you need to try some. I tried some. See if it's good for pie. It's good for me and it's...
Yes, it will be good for you too.
It's good for me and it's good for special.
Very special.
Yes. If you buy the bananas and you try
Banana with your fish.
banana.